Hi, That Clean Life community. In this quick tip, we are going to show you how to find recipes based on nutrition information. With more than 100 ways to filter your recipes in That Clean Life, the nutrition filters can help you easily find recipes that fit your client's needs. These filters can be used to find recipes that are, for example, high in protein, low in sodium, low in fat, high in calcium, and so much more. To locate the nutrition filters, first click on the Recipes tab and then Filters. From there, select Nutrition. Here you can filter to find recipes with a specific amount of nutrients per serving. Nutrients are sectioned out into macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Use the sliders to set the range you'd like to look for. For example, if you'd like to find recipes that are low in fat, use the sliders to select your version of low in fat. Remember, this is per serving. Let's walk through an example together. Let's say you have a client who needs recipes that are high in protein, high in fiber, high in folate, and low in sodium. Determine what values meet these needs for your client and set the filters. For this example, I will look for recipes with at least 20 grams of protein, at least 6 grams of fiber, at least 115 micrograms of folate, and no more than 300 milligrams of sodium. Now that you've located recipes that work for your client, you can further add filters like mealtime options, such as breakfast, dinner, or lunch. Or you can start to add these recipes to a meal plan or a recipe collection. Thanks for tuning in to this quick tip. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out by sending us an email to support@thatcleanlife.com.